how to buy Yilong Ma token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Just go and find it there. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address, it's under the Solana network. Now for that, it's easy and simple. Open your Phantom wallet. Now what you need to do, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here, paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, click on it. And here you can type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, just go back to this page. Switch the slip path from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip path. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Yilong Ma token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.